Hello student, you see 9th standard math exercise 10.2. Now exercise 10.2. To solve this exercise, the questions of exercise 10.2, you have to learn two theorems. Theorem number 1. Equal chords of a circle. Equal chords of a circle. Equal chords of a circle subtends equal angles at the center. Equal chords of a circle subtends equal angle at the center. Now you can prove. You see, there is a circle. There is a circle I am going to draw the circle. You see, student, you wait for some time. Now you see the circle. Now see the circle. Then this is the center. You see, equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. This is center. Now a chord is here, AB. Okay, the same length chord. Whatever the length of this chord, you see the same length chord you draw here. Okay, now this is BC. The same length chord. The chord AB and BC are equal. Equal chords are there. Equal chords of a circle subtends equal angle at the center. You have to prove this. Okay. Now you construct it. Join with the center. Okay. You join it with the center. Then you see that student OA, OC and OB are the radius of the same circle. OA, OC and OB are the radius of the same circle. Now in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, OA is equal to OB. and OB equal to OC, radii of same circle, radii of same circle. Okay, radii of same circle. AB equal to BC, given equal chords, given equal chords. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle BOC by side, side, side. Okay. Therefore, angle AOB equal to angle BOC CPCT by CPCT. Okay. In congruent triangles, the angle will be also equal. That is a congruent by CPCT. So you have proved. This is proved. Now, theorem number 2. Theorem number 2. If the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. This is the converse of the first theorem. You see, equal chords of a circle subtends equal angle at the center, and the converse of the first, if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. In first theorem it is given the equal chords subtends equal angle at the center, and the just opposite of the first theorem there is given if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then chord will be equal. You have to prove the same thing. Okay, it is given that here if you made the same figure, and here is given AOB is equal to BOC, means same angles form by the two chords, then chord will be equal, you have to prove, and this radius will be same also. So you can prove it by side angle side, that is a congruent property. So you do itself, do yourself means prove yourself, prove yourself. Proof is compulsory and you must have knowledge of this. You see question number 1, that is exercise 10.2, question number 1. You see, that is recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Prove that equal chords of congruent circle subtend equal angle at their center. Okay, so you see, there are two circles of same radii. You see, the radius is there. You see, take the radius, what, 2 centimeter. That is, you take the 2 centimeter radius. You see. That is circle of radius 2 centimeter. The same radii circle. Okay. Same radii circle is there. Same radii circle is there. Okay. This is the radius of the circle. Same. That is O. That is O dash. That is O, center of the circle. That is OA and that is OC. Okay. The same radii is there. Okay. Now this is a B and this is a D. Then you join this. Okay. That is here. Recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. You see, the radii OB is equal to O dash C, OA is equal to O dash C. The same radii circles are there. If this circle will put here on this circle, then same size will be there. One circle covered to another circle. Means both will be congruent. This both circle will be congruent. Okay, because they are having same radius. So the both circle will be of the same size, same shape. So both will be congruent. Now this is okay. Second part. Prove that equal chord of congruent circle subtend equal angle at their center. To prove that equal chord of congruent circle. So that is you proof in triangle OAB and triangle OCD. You can see OB is equal to O dash C and OA is equal to O dash C. That is D. Okay. OB is equal to O dash D and OA is equal to O dash C. Okay. And AB is equal to CD given. Therefore, triangle OAB congruent to triangle O dash CD. Both triangles are congruent. Therefore, angle AOB equal to angle CO dash D by CP CT. Okay, that is proved. That is proved. Now see question number 2. Now see question number 2. You see. Question number 2. What question number 2 is there? Prove that if chords of congruent circle subtend equal angle at the center, then chords are equal. Prove that if chords of congruent triangle subtend equal angle at their center, then the chords are equal. So congruent circle is there. Congruent the chords of congruent circle. The chords of congruent circle, you see. Now the chords of congruent circle. देखिए, this is the chords of congruent circle. That is O, O dash. Any chords of congruent O, A, B, C, D. OA is equal to O dash C and OB is equal to O dash D. The chords of congruent circle. The chords of congruent circle are equal. The chords of congruent circles are equal. What condition is there? You see, that is, the question is there. Prove that if the chords of congruent circle subtend equal angle, means in proof in triangle OAB and triangle O dash CD, chords of congruent circle, the congruent circles there because radii are same and subtend equal angle. OA is equal to OB and O dash C is equal to OD. OA is equal to O dash C and OB is equal to O dash D, and angle AOB equal to CO dash D. That is a given. That is given. Prove that if the chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center. That is a given. Angle AOB is equal to angle C dash O dash. Therefore, triangle OAB congruent to triangle O dash CD. Okay, by side angle side, side angle side, side angle side. Okay, therefore AB equal to CD by CP CT. These two triangles are congruent, then AB is equal to CD by CP CT. Proved. Okay student, I hope you have understood these two questions of exercise 10.2 easily, and you keep in your mind you should have knowledge of the theorems, and early I have explained it and proved it, and I hope you have understood. You will complete this in your fair copy also, and you can like, share and subscribe it also. Thank you.